Good day, everyone. We are Group 1. Our topic for today is the role of social workers in addressing mental health issues, exploring support and impact.
Introduction. Mental health is a critical aspect of overall well-being affecting individuals of all ages, backgrounds, and socio-economic status. Number 2. Mental health challenges can significantly impact an individual's ability to function in daily life, maintain relationships, and achieve their full potential. Social workers play a vital role in addressing this challenge, providing essential support and interventions to individuals and communities. Last, this presentation will explore the multifaceted role of social workers in mental health, highlighting their diverse contributions and the impact of their work.
Types of mental health challenges: anxiety disorders, generalized anxiety disorders or living disorders, social anxiety disorders, phobias, mood disorders, depression, bipolar disorders, seasonal affective disorders, trauma-related disorders, post-traumatic stress disorders or PTSD, acute stress disorders, personality disorders, borderline personality disorders, narcissistic personality disorders, and mystical personality disorders, substance use disorders, alcohol abuse, drug addiction, schizophrenia and other psychotic disorders, schizophrenia, psychotic disorders, affective disorders, delusional disorders, neurodevelopmental disorders, autism spectrum disorders, dementia, hyperactivity disorders,
Anxiety disorders. So, mga yung mga kuhan, kinaya ako, estudyante, di ba, mag-school ako. So, kaya kita mag-report na, mabati ko kakulbanan, mabati na yung mga anxiety na, mag-block na ko, ma-mental block ko ba, mawa na sa topic, gawa na sa klase.
Mood disorders. Kanang mag-change sa food.
depression.
Pero makapit ka rin.
Depression.
Niya, kasama ka, yung matawag.
Special.
Special. Trauma.
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 Trauma-related disorders.
Substance use disorder. Kanang ma-addict na kayo sa alcohol ito. Gulong na yung kayo sila sa buwan.
Hindi na makontrol.
Kanang palainom na pinagpapawal.
The role of social worker in the mental health. Social worker are trained professionals who advocate for the well-being of the individual community. They utilize the holistic approach of very social, economic, and environmental factors that contribute to mental health challenges. Social workers play a vital role in that. Quality and example maybe assessment and diagnosis by mental health needs, providing referral of services. And morning siya mga main type. Balik sa pag-tulad nila counseling, muna siya diagnose bitaw nga dili na niya makaya ang iyang kuan iyang referral sa lain. Diba?
Gi-refer sila in counselors.
Hindi ko ni ba ko. Ano i-refer kan referral ba kumo na pa kaya. Pagkano treatment and intervention, providing individual, family, and group therapy, teaching intervention, and case management. Advocacy and report, connecting individual with resources, navigating complex system, and navigating for this life. Prevention of education, promoting mental health, awareness, reduction, stigma, and spreading realization. Treatment and intervention. Ang treatment of intervention mo rin siya mag-provide sa mga needs sa pamilya, group, community, individual. Para mga crisis na bitaw na wala na din ba? Hanggang manage na natin. So, connecting na lang na ilang i-promote ang mga needs sa itong
Kasi sila ang pag-support na.
atong rights. Text system na to.
Kasi ang support.
Atong rights. Ang prevention education. Promoting mental health awareness with the community. Ako naman yung mukuhan, dahil sa itong education diri di sila may nag-promote sa itong mga well-being awareness na to. Health awareness. Ano ito dito sa ito?
Ano ko na nga itong
Ang social workers guys, mo na sila ang tigtabang sa ato ang mga kinahanglanon needs sa pamilya, sa community o individuals. Ang example dahil ang social worker is DSWD. Diba pag naibagyo kay makata sila credit goods?
Yes.
BI,
LGU.
LGU, o sila.
sa mga kabataan.
Hindi.
Intervention.
Intervention.
By social worker. Individual therapy, providing a safe and confidential space for individual to explore their thought, feeling, and behavior.
Ano kahit yan, therapy, provide na siya safe, confidential space, individual sa mga tao na explore ng thought, like mag-invest, like yung appeal ay yung behavior, mga saktuman, individual feeling,
O kasi individual.
family
Family
therapy.
therapy, addressing family dynamics and communication patterns that contribute to mental health challenges.
Basta pamilya,
Pamilya po.
parang
Mag-communicate mo din dahil yung
baka may
pamilya.
problema baka mga magkapamilya kung nagkakay problema, pwede ni Mr. Yan yung mga ginikanan kung sa yung problema. Para may pagawa sa life, saan ka ba yung imong problema nga yung ginikanan?
Group therapy, facilitating peer support and shared experience among individuals facing similar challenges.
Group therapy, kanang di bali, di ba kita tanan kay, di ba kita tanan kay, para ay kanang word no peer support is kanang friends, atau mga amigo o
Besides your friends,
diba kung natin problema kaya ako na doon itong masteryahan na kung maulaw na sa itong ginikanan, diba sa ato ang
Friends.
o sa atong friends like ka ng
Close friends.
sa imong love life mingon ka sa imong friends ka
crisis intervention, providing immediate support and resources during mental health emergencies.
Crisis mo, wala na bitaw nila na nai-provide niya support sa ilang ba?
Parang
Bakit mo din? Oo, atong lagi mo din, crisis pa ito panahon na, nalagyan i-provide nila o ka ng mga support,
nagkaya nagtatap sila
emergencies. Okay, nabamunan na ba ito?
mabubar ang balay ako, ano nila yung mga
Nagahan sa mga ayuda, support, mga resources nila, ilang mga kinahanglan nun. Yata nila.
emergency na nila yun.
Okay.
Case management, coordinating service and resources to meet individual needs, including housing, employment, and healthcare.
Case management, community case, services po. Mga need, gabot at mga including ng mga employment, ng mga housing, employment, and healthcare.
Case management eh, sa dila nilang pinanggat.
Pinanglan ng needs ka yung needs.
Case management.
The impact of social work intervention. Jane.
Impact of social work in intervention. Social work interventions have profound impact on the lives of individuals with mental health challenges. They can reduce symptoms and improve overall well-being, enhance coping skills and resilience, promote social inclusion and community integration, empower individuals to take control of their lives, reduce the need for hospitalization and other social interventions.
Bawas-bawasan ang panahon sa sitwasyon kanya ma-improve dahil na panahon tarong na alasan sa mga
Ang well-being may improve.
Enhance coping skill resilience. Minsan sino kayo
Nakalawak
skill?
nakalawak mo mo.
Nakakaalam na ba natin yung buhay? Resilience.
Promote social inclusion and community integration. Ay,
We don't need for these over and others of the
empower individuals to take control of their
Examples of social work programs: mental health clinic, providing comprehensive mental health services, including therapy, medication, management, and support group. School social work, supporting students with mental health challenges, providing counseling and advocating for their needs. Community mental health centers, focusing and offering a range of services including outreach, crisis intervention, and case management. Substance abuse treatment programs, providing support and resources for individuals struggling with addiction.
mental health clinic. Ano siya mag-provide ng mga therapy medication sa mga nanihanlan bitaw o mga ginagtabang nga ng mga sakit sa mental. Ano nito? Sila mag-service. Ang galing ito, social work, kumulong kayo, muna sa guidance, ma'am. Ang atong guidance din, ma'am. Lumanon, siyang support sa layo ito.
Sila ang mukhang sa mga estudyante nga na ay problema.
Ang problema ba nga?
Pressure na kayo sila sa kalipid. Lumato sila kay ma'am. Nagpakausin lang sila. Para ma-exam ba na nila ang mga problema nga ilang dala-dala sa sila.
Community mental health center offering foreign services including hospital kali community mo ano niya sila mag-offer ay di rin sila mo ay mo ano offer sila mga service including outreach
Ang kanilang sometimes abuse treatment programs kaya sila mag-abroad sa mga na-addiction na para ipakontrol lang ilang mga
sabi na
nang-addict.
kayo nila
Lisod na sila kon ba kontrol sila ng pagalingon ng buhatin nila kay addict na kasi sa daan na sila panatuloy sila nga
Nalili na ito ang tradilis para
community mental health center sa mga community nga wala ito sa city or
oh bakit hindi na mabukid-bukid
layo sila sa kanila.
One sabi mo, sila yung kabalay mo offer ba para mag-serve sa dito ilang gairan bitaw o ilang
Para ma-check po nila kung sa
kung sa ilang nakin
Sila
dito
sila.
kaya ginabuhi nila dito, okay pa ba? Conclusion, social workers play a vital role in addressing the growing mental health needs of individual and community. Social worker, mo naman nila sila, mo
Tambang.
tambang ng mga needs sa individual, mga ato ang diya. Sobrang itawag.
Yes, very true.
Bitaw.
Their intervention are essential for promoting well-being, reducing stigma, and empowering individuals to live fulfilling lives.
So, ang social worker,
Oh, mga intervention po sa individual. Promote di ka imong well-being. Na-
reducing stigma po ganang lugar na yung pa-counsel na ba? Maulaw silang pa-counsel kasi sawayin
Diyan
sila.
sila ba?
Oh, dyan sila.
Katawan ko.
Okay na po.
By understanding the scope of mental health issue and the diverse contribution of social workers, we can work together to create a more supportive and inclusive society for all.
So, kung namin sakit, pwede rin mo magpapagawa.
Mapag-check up. Para release na mulala ang stress ko mo to.
Parang namulala.
And thank you.
And that's all for today's.
Thank you.
Thank you.